Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA SMART.4, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already open. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have a sound which you couldn't hear right now because I do have my device muted, and that kind of like image that shows up, along with later on a pop-up that you have captured the screenshot. So now that you have captured that screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. So I'm gonna quickly open that up, and there it is. As you can see, there is my screenshot. So that is how you can capture your screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.